Hey, what's good everyone? Today we're gonna take a look at the Asics Gel-1130 and the Cream Kale colorway. This one released alongside the Gel NYC, both general releases, but both of them pretty much sold out everywhere on release day, which is very unusual for a general release to get blown off the shelves. But with this colorway, it's understandable, and we're gonna look at the details right away, so let's go. So like I said, this Gel-1130 released alongside the Gel NYC. Basically the same colorway, just different color blocking, but I opted for this one for several reasons. It was a little bit cheaper. I bought two other sneakers, so I had to watch my financial situation a little bit. The NYC is 140, this is 100 euros, and I think this is the perfect price point for a sneaker like this. So no remorse for getting it, and I haven't regretted it so far because I really like this colorway. And the Gel NYC, I'm always at war with the sizing a little. I think I have to size down on that one, but then I think it doesn't fit perfectly. So maybe I'm gonna get it down the line if they're gonna release these, as these are general releases. Maybe they're gonna throw on the machines again and produce a couple of more pairs than they have, and it's gonna be possible to get another pair. But I'm happy with this one. For the time being, I think this is a great shoe to wear every day. I already do own an 1130, and I'm throwing it on whenever I need to do some shopping, when it's raining outside, or if I don't want to think about what I want to wear for the day, just throw them on and I'm good. And it's like a really good everyday sneaker. And I wanted these because this is a great summer colorway, and I don't really understand why this hasn't been released a little bit earlier, why in fall, but who understands marketing people? So anyways, let's jump real quick into the details. This is an all synthetic upper. We have this silver application here on the mudguard, on the tiger stripes, and on the heel. Goes once around the whole sneaker here. Then we have a very nice open pore cream colored mesh, which I really like. This really does it for me. It's not a pure white sneaker. Cream is, you can't see cream sneakers everywhere. It's just the thing this year, I think, and it's all good with me. I really like it. Opposed to the Gel NYC, this is not a cream midsole, this is the pure white midsole, but we have a cream outsole. Also some green thrown in here, and that pure white. We have some more green at the heel in the gel cushions, some more green at the heel on top. Of course, green in the tiger stripes, green on the Asics branding on the tongue, green on the Asics branding on the cream midsole. We have some green inner liner here at the collar, and green Asics branding on the lacing at the bottom. And that's pretty much it, I think. Did I forget anything? There's no 3M on the shoe, so silver is the only shiny thing that's on this sneaker. I do miss 3M a little, but it's all good. So, sizing wise, I went with my true size, which is a size 13. It's the same size I'm wearing in most Asics, and in Nike, the other 1130 that I have fits a little bit smaller. And if you would have asked me back then, should you go true to size or size up? With this one, I'd say go true to size. Fits very much true to size, more so than the other one. The other one is a little bit in between, so if you're in between sizes, maybe you should try sizing your usual size and a half size up. But with this one, definitely go true size. I think it fits a little bit longer than the other one. Also, someone else I know made the same observation. He said his older one fits a little bit smaller, and this one is more true to size. So keep that in mind. Other than that, I think they're very comfortable. It's just a foam midsole, nothing fancy here. The insole is not the best. If you're looking for a little bit more support, you might have to rip this one out. It's glued in, but it can be removed easily, no problem there. It's pretty thick though, so you need some replacement insoles that are also a little bit thicker. But then you should be fine. Other than that, I'm super happy with this purchase and can't wait to throw them on feet. The weather in Hamburg is still good, still sunny, still warm, so these will go on my feet as soon as possible. As soon as this review is over, actually. So, can't wait to wear them. And I hope I'm gonna see you in the next video. So thank you very much for watching this one. And until next time, bye bye.